first time going to the arcade. Vlogging in public is so weird. I feel like I'm complaining too much. Yesterday was leg day and my feet hurt. It's like, it's Maintance time. Nimeshinda kwenda waterfall, guys. Wani nani? Got a lot of pain, got a lot of upbeat on me. I gotta feel myself off. I gotta feel myself off. I gotta pull it out. I gotta pull it out. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Cynthia. I'm going to the arcade. This is my first time going to the arcade. Actually, if you're new here, please subscribe, enjoy the vlog, kindly comment, share, like, subscribe. See you there. I've been knowing you for long enough, damn, I need you right now. You can take your time, don't have to rush, this might take us a while, yeah. I left all the doors unlocked and you said you're on your way. When you get here, don't you say a word, I know time to play. My date is so late. Oh my lord. So nimeingia Panda Mart, tuko tunapatana Garden City Mall. Yeah. So I'm just shopping for toys that I'll never get. Yep. Hadi nimeingia Carrefour. Don't buy gum, they take time. Yeah. Vlogging in public is so weird. Yeah, but amesema ako 5 minutes away. So, acha kuja huko. Nitanibaya kitu by force. You think that you know me, but you ain't even seen my dark side. It's reserved for you only. So baby, do it right, do me right. We can go right time. We can move fast and then you put your body on my mind. Collide. Could be one of those nights where we don't turn off the lights. Wanna see your body on mine and collide. Baby, it's all yours if you want me. All yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me tonight. Say it's all yours if you want me. All yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me. Let's collide.
Waking up, she on it. Good love in the morning. Get on top of my cojones. I pleasure you for the moment. This don't come with no warranty. You want it but can't afford it. My world is different than yours. Your opinion of me is glory. Glorifying in all these forms. Back to future in the lorry. And you ain't used to feeling this important. Cars imported, girls imported. Insubordinate, get deported. Baby, check my inventory. Got a whole lot in store for you. Birkin bags, purple tags. I can put a whole lot of shit on blast. Vera Wang, Balenciaga. Baby, you ain't never too fly for that. I talk a lot of shit. Cause I can back it up. She know I'm the shit. So baby, back it up. Yeah.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
on pushing.
I gave you the keys to my soul. You still don't believe, baby, I
He said
know.
he came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings, bricks in a condo and grams to sing. Left arm, baby mother's headed. 5-year been up north when they read it. Anyway,
Calls cause I'm not home. What you gonna do on the
Anyway, I felt them, poked them, put them on lock, seat belt them, took them out to Belgium. Welcome, bitches this pretty, that's seldom. This box better than the box he was held in. I'm Mama D in the outer. I call him Daddy like Louders. He like it when I get drunk, but I like it when he be sober. That's top of the top, but I never fuck with beginners. I let him play with my pussy, then look at out of his fingers. I'm in the zone.
I just got home. Really fun. My competitive side got out, but yeah, I won most of the games, so back again. Yeah, come and watch kwa TV. You can just see my eyes like yeah. It was a good day. Had fun. Tried to capture most of what we were up to today. Yeah. All in all, I was trying to live in the moment. It was good. Yeah. So let me get ready for the night. Hi guys. Today I'm on a walk. Yeah.
Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fine like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, yellow lady. In the meantime,
It's not going well.
Nimeshinda kwenda waterfall guys. If you know me, you know I have fear of water. Yeah, and I can't swim. Yesterday was leg day and my feet hurt. Damn.
all my bitches Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, yellow lady. In the meantime,
It's not going well.
Today I woke up feeling sick. So I woke up with tonsils and my wisdom tooth is hurting. I was supposed to get an extraction, but I don't know. Yeah, so imeanza ku pain me. I braided my wig because I was going to the salon today. Nilijua sibai anytime soon. Bro, I was supposed to go to the salon today. It's really scary. Like, I don't like saying I'm sick, but like my teeth hurt. And my dentist amesema niende aniangalie. Bro, what the fuck? Mbona kitu ingi? So yeah, I'm going to the dentist. So impromptu. Like kwanza this side. Wow. Bro, like my body is so funny. Literally imengoja holiday ishe you know, ndo ianze kuuma. Like, I'm going to school is open on Tuesday. When's today? Third? Actually, today is 4th. Wrong timing to get sick. Like, I'm even wearing such a casual outfit. I'm just wearing this. I'm not doing so much, bro. You know, usually, not usually, when I was young, look at me giving them a background. I used to have like crazy tonsils, like the ones that will get you admitted. Like, I saw the light so many times. So like after I told my dad in the morning that nothing like tonsils is in the building, he was so like shocked because he knows how bad mine gets. Like it can get better. So he just told me to text the dentist. I can't I don't want to buy it. I had combed out this hair. Sikuwa najua nitavaa because I was going to the salon today. Bro, what? Of all days, ningekuwa mgonjwa nikiwa holiday. Bro, I'm going back to school. Stop complaining. Hopefully it's but yesterday I drank an Oreo crusher. It wasn't too cold. Maybe it was too sugary probably. But I've been eating so many sugary stuff like cakes, sodas. But you know, for me, I usually can tell. I feel like no one can tell tonsils, turns. But this one just hit me at night. So like yesterday at night, I woke up like 3 times. The pain. Alafu ni one side, this side. Don't tell me. I thought I grew out of it. Actually. Because the last time nilikuwa na tonsils, like proper one. Skevle nasema proper one. But like one that requires me to go to the hospital. Nilikuwa wapi? Primary school. Because it was so bad. This might be a bit graphic. Kama unakwanga na imagination crazy. You oppose. But like my voice ilikuwa imepotea. So like we go to the doctor and then they say I had like my tonsils were like so bad to the point that ilikuwa inatoa mahira, like pus. Mahira is pus, right? So it was that bad. So he was like, yo, you know, kama mngeka like, I would have probably, I don't know. So like my parents don't usually take it lightly, like me having tonsils, because mine gets so bad for some reason. I don't know why. I'm not even laying my edges, bro. What is this? I was to go to the salon today. I had a plan, bro. What the fuck? Should kunja this down. But then unajua vile nimekuwa na wig ndo nimerealize kumbe nakuanga na sideburns. Like actually. So when I don't lay my edges naonanga nakaa shaggy. But today I don't care. Because I'm just ubering to and from. I'm not walking anywhere. Yeah. What the hell? I feel distorted. Like I literally hadn't planned. I don't know if it's just me, but nakwanga such a perfectionist. If nimepanga kitu, alafu isi happen hivyo bro, nita feel like, oh my god, what? You get? So I feel like, what? I hadn't planned for this, so like my brain is just like, come on. I had thoroughly combed this thing, like I was ready to store it. What inconveniences too. Like I was thinking about combing out my lines. It's even worse to comb my own hair. So I was like, you know what? Remove that bad boy. Anyway, chanacha kuteta. And I just hope that they won't. My prediction is my dentist will say we do an extraction of this. I'm supposed to get extracted all what? All wisdom teeth. My dad is calling me. Guys, I'm really praying that they don't say I get extracted, because last year around August, after during my exams. By the way, I'm such a crazy woman. I got my 2 premolars extracted from the lower jaw. So it was so crazy, it was so hell. Like hata nilijambia sitaifanya kitu kama hiyo tena, because like, what do you mean? It was so crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Because I had exams, sikuwa naweza kukula, and you can't like there's just a lot of growth after like you extract a tooth or teeth. So I'm just like, what? Why couldn't this have happened during the holiday? Because it's gonna be crazy. The pain, bro. Hey, Bambi. You can't lick it. You can't use a straw. I use straws all the time, for heaven's sake. I can't eat tough food, bro. You can't gargle, bro. I'm telling you, these teeth have shown me. My braces are removed. Okay, no wanna, bro. I feel like I'm complaining too much. Okay, let me be optimistic. They don't extract. But like ndiache puma sita video extract sooner or later, because I can't even bite on it. Crazy, I know, bro. Let me wear my shoes. Then I dip. I'm just gonna wear a jacket on top. Alafu mimi niende. Yeah, let me show you guys my outfits. So basic. But like, napenda vile nakaa cargo pants. But like, I know there are people who don't prefer wearing sweats outside the house. I don't care. As long as I'm comfortable. I really don't care. Oh my god. Hi, Jehovah. I feel like I'm stressing. I'm high-key panicking. Anyways, guys, let me go. Yeah, we'll go together. So.
Hold it for ransom, put it in drive. I'm not shy, I'm a lecture. So alive, going really fast.
I did not give you all an update of my hospital visit. So basically, I was done for a mini surgical procedure, but it was okay, nothing serious. Ended up not doing the extraction, thank God. Yeah, other than that, everything was okay.
Paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than cash today.